Today we're going to look at the top 5 most popular landscape lights for your home. Plus, stay tuned to the end because we're going to talk about new trends in lighting that we think are going to be the next big thing. Starting off with number 5, well lights. These fixtures are installed flush with the ground and provide a great option when lights sticking out of the ground would cause a physical issue or visual hindrance. Well lights are perfect for illuminating trees or flags where they are surrounded by grass or cement. Well lights are also referred to as core drill lights and can also be installed in solid surfaces such as driveways, patios, and sidewalks, where any other type of light would be an obstruction to pedestrians or vehicles. Number 4, capstone lights. These versatile lights, sometimes referred to as ledge lights, can be used in a variety of ways. They are often used on stone columns, retaining walls, around stone fire pits, or on outdoor stairs. They not only add a level of beauty and ambiance to your home, they also provide functional, useful illumination, which is necessary for safety. Number 3, feature lights. Feature lights are all about making your outdoor space stand out. These low-profile lights are designed to accentuate specific elements like statues, water features, or architectural details. They're also often used to light up dormers or the second and third stories of a home. Feature lights are low profile and can be easily hidden when installed. Number 2, path lights. Perfect for guiding your way along walkways and driveways, path lights are a practical and stylish addition to your landscaping. Path lights are a staple of most landscape projects because of both their practicality and, most importantly, functionality. And the number 1 most popular landscape light is the uplight. These are fantastic for highlighting architectural features, trees, and plants. Uplights are often discreetly placed at the base of objects and aim light upwards to create a stunning visual effect. These are very commonly used on most lighting projects because of how they can instantly transform your outdoor space. The Haven Uplight comes with 4 different changeable lens angles, allowing for different beam spreads for ultimate versatility. Now let's talk about what's trending in the world of landscape lighting. 2 categories that are gaining popularity are indicator lights and tiki torch lights. Indicator lights can be used to mark specific spots on your property, like paths, entrances, or driveways. They add a touch of style and help with wayfinding. The Haven Lighting Core Drill Well Light can be used for this application, or for a smaller indicator light, you can use our full-color deck light in a variety of situations. Tiki torch lights are a fantastic choice for those who love a tropical outdoor vibe, but also want the illumination of an LED light. They create a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for parties and gatherings, and they also help cut down on mosquitoes when a citronella oil is used. These are becoming more and more popular in backyard landscape design projects. And there you have it, the top 5 most popular landscape lights for your home, along with some exciting trends to keep an eye on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Haven Lighting to get the most out of your outdoor spaces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.